I just want to take a second to give a huge shout out to Will Roundtree and team at We Management Services. They've helped me with my personal credit as well as securing business funding for my real estate acquisitions. I started at about the mid 600s within my credit score, and with the guidance and consultation of Will, I was able to get into the high 700, 745, 750 range within about less than 60 days. And from that point, he gave me the key to unlock business funding. And to this point, I've been able to secure over $60,000 in funding in about another 60 days. So I would definitely recommend him if you're serious about getting your credit in order or investing. Those are definitely the guys you need to get in contact with.